I really like using plastic frame pool nets. These chartreuse or fluorescent green, smaller ones were on my local offer up for $8 a piece. I thought, well, I'm going to try them. You can see the opening is smaller. It's a smaller net, but look at the angle of the opening compared to this white one. The white ones I get on eBay from $15 to $20 delivered. Now I was a little skeptical of getting the smaller ones because I like getting as much as possible. That was my thinking. I end up really liking these smaller ones for my day-to-day netting much better. They're easier to manage. There's less drag in the water, especially towards the bottom, and the net is pretty substantially sized. I still have the white one here for when the wind blows and there's bigger jobs. I will use two poles, one with this white one and then one with this smaller yellow one. They're just really super fun to use. I mean, these big ones are great, but there is more drag. They're a little harder to turn and everything. The smaller one just seems to whip through the water and gather stuff up faster and get stuff off the surface a little bit faster. Doesn't seem like it would be a big deal, but if you net the pool every day, you will notice a difference, especially the opening design on this little yellow or green one. It just really seems to be more effective in a way than this one. But they both have an angle, so they get stuff off the bottom when you get it down there. But very strong. The net is holding up. This used one, I wanted to show used ones. They're about the same age. There's little tears and so forth in the net, which is to be expected. But this little one is holding up. I've seen these on eBay and Amazon from $10 to $20. So shop hard and get a good deal. I'm not sure you'll be able to find them locally the way I did, but definitely worth the money.